I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and let me show you how to use the voice recorder. So the Galaxy Watch Ultra comes with a built-in voice recorder, a Samsung voice recorder, and this is the icon right here. So all you have to do is launch it. If it's the first time, of course, you're gonna have to give permission. So allow voice recorder to record audio, select while using the app, allow voice recorder to access music and audio on this device, tap on allow. And then Wi-Fi Direct helps you in syncing voice recording files with your phone. Just tap on next and allow that, because you can actually synchronize the voice recordings captured on your watch with your phone. So tap on next, and now we're ready to start recording voices. So when you're ready to record a voice, just tap on the red button, and as you can see, it's currently recording. You can even retreat to the watch face and it's going to continue recording. Now you can tell it's recording because of this icon here. You can see it's moving, showing you that the watch is recording. And if you tap on that anytime, you can actually see how far we've gone. Now you can pause the recording, continue the recording, and stop when you're ready to stop. And it says recordings will be saved in the internal storage of your watch. Okay. Or rather on the phone. Okay. Tap OK, and that's it. So now to access the recordings, tap on this icon here. All the recordings are going to be listed here, and you can play the red button, and as you can see, it's currently recording. You can even retreat to the watch face and it's going to continue recording. Now you can tell it's recording because of this icon here. You can see it's moving, showing pretty high quality recording there, if you ask me. So that's basically how to use the voice recorder or sound recorder on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now, the fact that we synchronized the voice recordings with the voice recorder app on our phone, it means you can access these voice recordings. The red button, and as you can see, it's currently recording. You can even retreat to the watch face and it's going to continue recording. You can access the recordings from your Galaxy Watch on your phone that has the Samsung voice recorder. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.